In this video, we will go through the reporting functions of the Batches option. Using the Batches option will allow you to verify your end-of-day transaction amounts, as well as verify if a batch is closed or not. The Batches option is divided into each type of transaction that settles with a batch. These transaction types are credit, debit, and EBT. For this demonstration, we will be concentrating on the credit subset of the Batches option. Once clicking on credit, you will see two different ways to look at your batches. One way is to select one of the preset ranges from the drop-down box. The other way to select the date range is by using the two calendars below the drop-down. Once you've selected the date range you wish to see, you will then select the batch state you are looking for. The available options for the batch state option are closed, indeterminate, submitted, and all. Once you have selected your date range and batch state preference, you can click Submit to see a report of all the batches in that time period, or click Reset to clear what you have entered and begin again. In this example, you will select the date range of the last 90 days, change the batch state to all, and then click Submit. The resulting page will show you several columns of information. You can see the batch ID number, batch ID, settle time, net transactions, net amount, and the batch status. There are two important sections of this report, one of them being batch status column. Here, you can see if the batch was closed successfully or if there was some kind of problem. Problems will be indicated by a status of indeterminate, and if noticed soon enough, can be taken care of easily by our help desk personnel. Settled is the standard batch status code for a successfully closed transaction and indicates that the funds have been released and are on their way to the bank account on file with your merchant service provider. The other important section is in the first column, which has links for detail and summary. Clicking on Summary, as you can see, will cause a table to appear underneath the Batches table. This table will be populated with the card type, deposit amount, deposit count, return amount, and return count, along with the totals of each column. Clicking on Detail, however, will show you each transaction individually in much the same way as you would see it if you had used the Find Transaction option. You can click on the ref number to see additional information about the transaction and even print the receipt from here as well. Monitoring your end-of-day totals by using the Batches option is an invaluable way to ensure proper bookkeeping, as well as ensuring that the batches are settling properly. This concludes the tutorial video.